Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Lexica AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go to the Lexica website. Now, if you have a Google account, then it's going to be easy for you to sign up in Lexica. Now, this is the Lexica website and this is their interface. And as you can see, Lexica is very easy to use. At the top portion of our interface, you can see there the tabs Home, Generate, History, Likes, and Account. So we can easily understand what those tabs are for. Now, in the home page, you can see there that we can join the Discord. So if we have a Discord account, so we can join using our Discord. Now in the search box, you can search for any image that you want. Or you can also upload an image for reverse image search. Now we can click on search or generate, either of the two. Now say for example, we are going to search for a beautiful girl in the search box and just click search. And you can see the settings part here. You can choose Lexica Aperture or the Stable Diffusion 1.5. So you can choose either of the two versions here. And it's going to take a while, so we have to wait for a few minutes for it to load. While waiting for this, we are going to go ahead and explore the Generate tab. So in this part here, you can enter the prompt that you want to generate. And you can also change the size as to how you want it to be. Like for example, you have a very long prompt, then you will be able to adjust this size here. And you can also adjust the negative prompt as well. This is where you're going to indicate your prompt, the description of your image that you want to generate, and also you can add a negative prompt. So it really depends with you if you are going to indicate or put a negative prompt here. Indicating the correct dimension is very important. Why? Because if you are going to choose the incorrect dimension, your image might not be equal in terms of dimensions. Like for example, this image we have here. As you can see, they are not proportioned with the hair and the size of the face. So again, dimension is a really great factor in terms of generating images. And as you can see, the neck of this girl here is quite very long for its face. So some image might not be proportional. So it's very important that we choose the correct dimension that we want. You can also upload an image that you want to generate. And then for the advanced settings here, you can choose the model type. So you have two options, the Lexica Aperture version 3 or the Lexica Aperture version 2. So you're just going to choose from the versions here. And for the guidance scale, again, you can adjust this as to your preference. So I'm gonna choose, let's say 8 for this guidance scale. So let's have this prompt here, corals, neon, bioluminescence, and colorful. So we're gonna go ahead and click generate. So we're going to wait for a few minutes because it's going to take a while generating images. Now let's go back to home. Let's see if it's already loaded. And as you can see, these are the images that we got in our search box here in the home page of Lexica. So when we typed in a beautiful lady, so these are the images that were shown to us made by other users too here in Lexica. So the good thing about Lexica is that when you are going to try to click on the image, say for example this one, you will be able to see the prompt that was used in this image. So as you can see, this is the prompt, high on a gorgeous mount anime tossed with short white hair, character portrait, and so on and so forth. So if you want to use this prompt, all you need to do is just click on copy prompt here and you will be able to copy this prompt here. And you can also edit this image by clicking open in editor, or you can explore this tile. So there you go. If you want to download this image, then all you need to do is go to the bottom right corner of our interface and just click download. So you will be able to download that image. So let's go back to our generated image. So there we go. This is what we've generated in our prompt, corals, bioluminescence, neon. So as you can see, it's very beautiful and we can download this anytime. So if we're going to download this one, so we're just going to click this icon here at the upper left corner of our image and click download image. There we go. We've already downloaded the image. We can also outpaint this one by clicking this. So it's going to generate another image. If you want to generate variations, then you're just going to click this icon here at the upper left, just above the download icon. So you're just going to click that and it's going to generate images. So you're just going to choose the image that you want, then it's going to generate more images according to your preference. So this is what we've generated. So from this, it now appeared to be like this. So as you can see, there are different details that were changed when we clicked on Outpaint or when we generated variations. So that's how easy you can use Lexica. So in history, this is where we can see the images that we've generated so far in Lexica. So we can always go back to the images that we want and we can always generate variations of that specific image. And then in the likes tab, this is where you can see the images that you've liked so far in this website. So if you have an image that you like, say for example, if we're going to go back to the home page and we are going to like this image, so we're just going to click this one, that icon, and then it's now going to appear in our likes tab. So there we go. So every time we want to go back to that picture that or the image that we liked, then we can always check it in the likes tab. Now in the account tab, this is where you can see your memberships. So for starters, you have there $8 per month. So if you want to subscribe on this plan, then you will be able to get 1,000 fast generations per month, no slow generations, 2 parallel fast generations, commercial license, image or public, and then for Pro and then for Max, you have here different subscription plans depending on what you like. If you're not going to subscribe to these plans here, then you will only be able to generate 100 images per month. So if you want to generate more images in this website, since this is already a very, very good AI generator, then you need to subscribe to these plans available here. And there you go. That's how easy you can use Lexica. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.